Love mushrooms? Then wait, this no cream recipe has all the flavor and the creamiest texture ever, especially with lemon coriander rice. Gather all your ingredients, set a pan on high heat and pour in olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add garlic and green chilies. Let the aroma hit first. Now add the mushrooms along with salt and cook on high flame. They release a lot of moisture. Keep cooking until the mushroom turns beautifully golden brown. Transfer the mushrooms out and set aside. Now in a pan, melt butter, add flour and cook on low heat until the texture becomes sandy. Next, add milk gradually while whisking continuously. No lumps, just a smooth silky sauce. Bring the mushrooms back into the sauce and season with freshly crushed pepper, salt, oregano and chili flakes. Stir for just 1-2 minutes and let everything come together. And there it is, unbelievably creamy mushrooms without a single drop of cream. Serve hot with lemon coriander rice and good luck not getting obsessed. Try this out and let me know. And yes, like, share and subscribe for more.